My name is Ken Smith, and I'm the service manager with Repro Products and 4-Color Laser. I've been with Repro Products now for 29 years and service manager for the last 23. I've got an outstanding service department that we service not only wide format equipment, but we also service small format as well. I have 10 certified trained service technicians, and for the wide format area, we service all of Georgia and the surrounding states. We'll go into Florida, Tennessee, Alabama, and the Carolinas. As far as the small format, we really focus on Metro Atlanta to service our customers. One thing I really think that sets us apart from our competition is that we survey every customer after every service call. And what they get is a brief email from us, and it only asks, how was our service? And if you're delighted, you can just tell us you're delighted, or there's a comment section you can actually go in deeper if you'd like. If you're dissatisfied, we'd like to know why, and there's additional, I think, 3 more questions added with an additional comment box. One thing we live by is a mantra, is that we not only service the customer's equipment, but we also service the customer themselves. If you're not happy, then we're not happy. So I really think that's the biggest differentiator between us and our main competition.